this demonstration, we're going to see Tenable Cloud Security's just-in-time ability for managing access to groups in your identity provider as a way to provide temporary access to SaaS applications. We'll be using Okta as our identity provider, and our target app will be Salesforce. What we're going to show is how we can allow users to request and receive temporary access by the hours to a sensitive platform such as Salesforce, so we can avoid providing them with permanent access that makes them more of a liability when they get breached. Let's get started. Here we see an assignment of access to the Salesforce app for the sales group. Membership to this group will thus provide access to the app, and this membership will be provided just in time using Tenable Cloud Security. In Tenable Cloud Security, we'll go to the Eligibilities console for our Okta instance. Eligibilities don't actually provide access, but only allow users to request temporary access for a few hours. When creating the eligibility, we'll define who is it that can request the access, to what group the access can be requested, what's the maximum duration for a session, and if approval is required for this access, who is it that needs to approve it. Now, when starting out, in the user's Okta console, we can clearly see that he does not have access to the Salesforce app. If the user wants access for a specific purpose, he can request it by selecting a duration and specifying a business justification. In the Approvers console, the approver can see the request and either approve or deny it. Once approved, we can see in Okta that the user has in fact been added to the group, and as expected, this group membership added the app to its Okta user portal, as he can now use it and access Salesforce. The access will expire automatically once the session duration is done. And if needed, the approver can revoke the access even before that, in case the access was given by mistake or the business justification is no longer valid. And once the access is taken away, the user loses their group membership, their Salesforce user is no longer active, and of course, the app no longer appears in their Okta user portal. So, when it comes to access to your sensitive SaaS applications, avoid handing out permanent access. Have users request it just in time using Tenable Cloud Security.